Okay, in this video I will share to you about how to make a modular square facade on the commercial building. First of all, we can make the rectangle in here with the size of this plane is around 37 and also the 29 meter in here. Then we can click the surface and then we can click this push pull. We can push it up 1 meter in here for the thickness. So the thickness is included with the beam and also the ceiling in here and also the plumbing and electrical system in here. Then we can triple click, right click, and also make component and just create. Okay, now we can make the column arrangement in here. We can make the rectangle column in here, rotate rectangle tools to make the column. Then we can predict it. We can just make the any size of column around 900 and also 1.2 meter in here. Okay, 900 millimeter and 1.2 meter in here. So we can make a little bit push up in there. Then we can make component and then just create. Okay, and then now we can select move, tap control and click this corner and place the position. Then we can type like 3/ and enter in here. Okay, so we can see about the distance. Okay, there is 12 meter in here. Then now we can click and then we can select move, tap control and click from this position to this position first. Then we can move it up, type of 6 meter in here, enter, and then now we can select move, tap control in here. Then we can move in this position, then we can move it up, type 4 meter in here. Okay, then we can place and place in here 1 2 3 and 4 in here. So there is a 4 floor above the podium in here. And now we can select this column in here. We can select this column in the position, then we can select move, tap control and click and also place, type 3/ and enter in here, just like this. So then we can triple click about this column in here, then click this the surface of this one of the column, then we can place on the position in here. Okay, just like this. But we have to make sure that the position of this slab is correct, so we can repeat again about the step. Then we can type 4 meter in here and move and again in here. So okay, it was perfect. Then now we can make the another surfaces area in here. We can make the another surfaces area in this position. So this is about the surfaces room access, and we can double click and then just make group, and or maybe we can move it up on the center position in here. Okay, then now we can move it into the cozy space in here. Okay, so to work, cozy space to work, I mean, anyway, then we can right click and make unique. Then we can double click the surface and offset it outside, type 500 millimeter in here. And now we can click and push it down, type 200 millimeter in here, just like this. So this is about the basic shape of the structural system and also the core surface building in here. Okay, and after that, now we can make the rectangle in here and click from this corner to this corner in here and click the surface and push it down until to the position in here. Then now we can triple click and we can push it up 2.5 meter in here for the parapet. Then we can triple click and make group. Okay, then we can click erase and click erase in here. Then we can select the vertical. You can select the vertical line, then we can select move, tap control and also place to the position. Then we can type 9/ and enter in here. Then we can select the vertical line in here, and then we can select move, tap control and place, type 8/ and enter in here. Okay, just like this. We can triple click. Okay, then we can select move, tap control and place, type 4/ and enter in here. Okay, okay, and after that, now we can select the materials. We can select the materials with using the glass materials in here with the blue glazing in here. Then now we can select the cover wall in here with the glazing, and select the glazing in here and the position in here, and we can double click and okay, we can make group. Okay, now we can offset inside a little bit in here around 200. And then we can click and push it down until the position and click top and bottom surfaces in here. And then now we can select the vertical line and select move, tap control, click and then place, type 12/ and enter in here and click this one and select move, tap control and also place it to position. Then we can type 9/another in here. Okay, just like this. And then now we can assign about the glazing in here also. Okay, now we can fix this connection between the glass and also the slab in here. Then we can type 200mm in here, and then now we can click the surface and push it down in here until to the position in here. And now we can make the rectangle in here. Okay, now we can make the rectangle with modular rectangle, I mean with the any size and any position, any style, any size, any variation, I mean. So this is the modular rectangle with any variation. So this one and also this one. Okay, and that one. Anyway, okay, that one. So this is the modular rectangle. Then we can click and push it to the front around 1 meter in here. Okay, or again, now we can click and offset it inside in here. Now we can type around 1 meter in here. Okay, then we can push until to the limit in here, and now we can try to move it to the behind. Okay, okay, it's okay. Now we can move it to the another side. We can type 400, and for this one type 400 in here, and just click this vertical line and select move and place, type 1.5 meter in here. Okay, just like this. Then now we can click and select move, type 400 and click and move 400, and then now we can click and move it up again a little bit around 1.2 meter in here. We can triple click, right click, and also make group in here. Okay, so this is about the conceptual. So now we can erase that one. Now we can duplicate on the position in here. Then now we can flip. If we can flip with the green, we can flip with the red axis in here. So now we can explore. We can adjust about the rectangle, okay, to make it more bigger than the before in here. Then now we can click and select move type control on this position in here. So now we can right click and flip with the red axis, and we can make it smaller. We can move it until the position in here. Okay. Okay. Okay, then now we can select move type control, and okay, now we can just rotate and place. Now we can explore more about this one in here. Okay, then we can select move type control. Okay, now we can move it down. Okay, now we can place to the position in here, and then we can select move type control, and then now we can right click and flip with the red axis in here and move it down. And just place to the position in here. Okay, just like this. And now we can also give the color. We can give the color with the orange color. Maybe it's look like more impressive in here. Okay. Okay, then we can add the variation of the dark color position. I think it was playful. It was playful facade in here. It was playful facade. So now this is on the left and on the right, and this is on the top and the top and on the bottom, and this is on the right and on the left again in here. I think it was dynamic. I think it was a dynamic facade concept design in here. Then now we can add more elements like horizontal element in here. Okay, now we can make group, and we can assign with this white materials in here, or light gray materials in here. Okay. Okay, then now we can select move type control, and also we can try to place the position. Then we can type 15 and enter in here. Okay, just like this. But I think it's too chaos. Maybe it's too chaos. So now we can make it more valuable. Okay, I can place and type 35 and enter in here. So it will make more representative enough anyway. Then now we can set up about the dark color in here, the little bit dark color on this conceptual. Okay, then now we can select this every single horizontal shade in here, because the horizontal shade it's very important to protect it for the UV sunlight in here, because the UV sunlight can make the room feel hot, feel high temperature than the usual. Then so the cooler, the room cooler, it's need to work hard than usual. So we have to consider about the sun shading like this over there. Okay, just like this. And then maybe we can add more component like people. We can like make another component like people silhouette in here on this position, and also the position in here. And then now we can make like a canopy in here. We can place the canopy. Okay, then we can triple click, right click, and also make group over there. And then now we can assign about the orange materials in here. Okay, now we can make the flooring in here. Okay, so it just for the example only. So you can make the staircase with more precision. I think we can make it more the more precision of the staircase. We can use the rotate rectangle in here. Then we can type 400 millimeter and just click and push up 150 millimeter in here. Triple click and make component. Then just create. Okay, then we can select move, place to the position in here, and we can place one by one, or just duplicate the triple object at once. So we can make this staircase entrance in here, but we have to explore more about the zero level of the flooring in here. We have to connect with the zero level of the flooring in here, just like this, and then we can place the silhouette on the appropriate position, just like this, approximately. So then now we can also add the component with the three component in here. Okay, on the position and on the position. Then now we can set up about the glazing system in here with to be a texture and color of the tree over there. Then we can set up about the shadow in here and set up this shadow. Okay, just like this for example. And now we can add more the ground. We can make more the ground floor in here. We can make more the ground floor. Okay, on this position in here. And now we can set up about the materials with using the concrete materials in here, like this one. And now we can set up about the darkness level in here. Okay, just like this. And now we can set up about the landscaping in here and on the position in here. Okay, just like this. Okay, thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial so you can improve more about the rooftop and facade, shading, canopy, and much more, or landscape. Thank you very much, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.